welcome to a quick unboxing video from salesbug.com. Today we are going to be looking at the Asus O'Play HD media player. So this thing is meant to play various different types of media files straight to your HDTV and so forth, and give you also option to play things like MP3s, or watch your photos and so forth on your TV and all that in full HD 1080p. So let's get started with the unboxing. So that's the box as it comes with the remote, as we shall see. Okay, first thing first, I'll just put that on the side. Comes with a remote, charger, some batteries, cable, disc and manual, and a RF cable. Now I'll put all these aside. Let's look at the main unit. Comes like so, pretty shiny in the front. On the side there's a USB port, there's a reset button, eSIDA port. On the other side says HD media player HDP-R1. Over here, SPDIF, there's a video out, audio out, left, right, and HDMI, there's a LAN port, and your DC in. And that's about it. So that's your quick unboxing video of the Asus O'Play HDP-R1 media player. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos and reviews and so forth, please visit us at www.salesbug.com. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching.